Hello, Forest Fairies. Forest Fairy Godmother here, and it is time to get creative. Are you ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and creativity? Join us for our exciting journal challenge. Whether you love to draw, write, paint, this challenge is for you. Dive into our world of imagination and expression. Each day will provide prompts that inspire you to explore your thoughts, dreams, and the beauty of the world around you. No matter your skill level, this challenge is about embracing your creativity and finding joy. Finding joy in the process.